Information Governance Maturity Self-Assessment Kit. Information Governance Maturity Self-Assessment Kit.
Problems and challenges. Uncertain accuracy and trustworthiness of information. Organizations face challenges related to the trustworthiness, integration, and accuracy of data, which impacts the quality and availability of information. Inconsistent information management practices. Inefficiencies in information management can make organizations' operations cumbersome and hinder timely access to crucial information. Lack of information governance framework. There is a significant gap in the development of a comprehensive information governance model for Malaysian public universities. The solution: a clear understanding of process maturity levels and organizations' current process capabilities and practices will help frame the work effort and change management required to improve information economics and achieve defensible disposal.
Information governance is the specification of decision rights and an accountability framework to ensure appropriate behavior in the valuation, creation, storage, use, archiving, and deletion of information. It includes the processes, roles, and policies, standards, and metrics that ensure the effective and efficient use of information in enabling an organization to achieve its goals. The main objective of this innovation is to gauge information governance maturity in organizations, to identify weaknesses in the current information management practice, and to propose an information governance framework for the organization.
The novelty: information governance maturity level as a tool's capability to analyze and reporting. Immediate application for working students during their practical implementation and enhance organizational impact. ISO 24143 Information Governance 2024 as new standard and provide knowledge advantage.
The usefulness of this innovation can be seen from the features of the application, which are: firstly, MIG level predictor, which an ability to identify the level information governance maturity. Next, frequent asked questions or FAQ, capability to interact with the respondents via the website and SMS. Third, radar chart, which ability to determine the strength and weaknesses of the organization. Fourth, individual level frequency, which the app capable to determine the strong or weak areas or elements from an individual perspective. The originality: this app is the first of its kind in Malaysia. It was developed using Java, PHP, MySQL, jQuery, and JavaScript. The first version was developed into a web version. Meanwhile, the second version was developed using Android Studio and can be downloaded from Google Play Store.
The commercialization potential, consultation services on information governance, NBC model. Needs: information required better governance, improve information governance maturity level, minimize information risk in organizations, proposing information governance framework for the organizations. Approach the organizations to share and acknowledge them about the information governance maturity level in order to come up with effective solution like proposing the information governance framework for the organizations. By collaboration with universities, other academic institutions/organizations, participate seminars/conferences, design a workshop. Benefits: enhance information management practice, improves effectiveness, efficiency and sustainability, minimizing cost and information risk, organizations more transparent and accountable. Lastly, the competitions, where the current competitors more focusing on general information management matters and there is leaking of services focusing on universities and less attention toward information governance maturity level and its framework.
This apps gather data from respondents immediately after they complete answering the survey questions on the information governance maturity in their organization. There are 4 sections, namely legal, business, records and information management, and information technology, IT. Result and discussions: this app features an analysis. This app manage and monitor by the administrator, and some analysis summary can be seen by respondent. Next, based on the data collection from question, administrator can analyze the data. MIG summary on individual distribution of data. Based on this data analysis, admin can gather the data based on 4 sections on survey questions that answering by each respondents and their answer specifically to each individual data. Administrator also can analyze the data into the frequencies distribution, where the data more structured. And the overall frequencies distribution also can be analyzed from each question. The administrator also can access on the MIGX dashboard, where the data can be viewed as the dashboard summary prediction of IG maturity, MIG summary for maturity of information management, summary of predictors and radar chart based on legal, business, records and information management and information technology, where the administrators can understand the data accurately and precisely. Besides, after answering all questions, respondents can view and understand the overall data based on 4 sections that viewed as maturity information governance or MIG summary, MIG overall level percentage, MIG level, data frequencies. And lastly, the MIG overall result.
Achievements. Intellectual property copyright from my IPO on June 21, 2022. 3 publications from Scopus Q2 Journal. Conclusion. The ability to determine the level of information governance maturity enables organizations to identify improvement needed. The Information Governance Maturity Self-Assessment Kit facilitates the process by providing insights into the IG maturity and framework within organizations. Enhanced information governance improves business performance, accountability, and transparency.
Thank you to all the judges and viewers for your kind attention.